everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Agnes, and for today's video I am going to share to you on how to increase your sales without spending money or boosting your Facebook ads. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so all you need to do is just to open your Facebook account, then click on this tab, click on Marketplace. Alright, and it should direct you to this page. Alright, as you can see guys, ang daming nagbebenta dito ng mga products nila. Okay, and you know what, Facebook Marketplace, actually this is a digital market guys, wherein you can arrange to buy, sell, or trade your items in a certain area. So actually, Facebook Marketplace has been effective to me. It has been very effective on our business, especially in real estate, because we made like almost 20 million sales in just 6 months with Facebook Marketplace lang guys. So I hope this would also be effective to your business. Okay, so let's continue. Click on sell, click on items, and then you have their photos. So you can only add 10 photos for each product. Okay, so make sure that you choose the best photo that will attract your customer or your client. Okay, so let's have this example here. So okay, choose tayo. I'd like to choose this photo. Nasaan na ba yun? Okay, daming photos. This one, then I'd like to choose this one too, and then what else? I'd like to also choose this one. Okay, just 5 photos for now. Oh, yan. Then click on next. Alright, there you go. So you already have your photos here. Okay, alright, then you can add your title here. So basically it would answer the question, what are you selling? So I'm selling RFO house at Camellia, Davao. And then you can put the price here. Okay, there you go. Then the category, so you have to choose the correct category for your product guys, para mabilis siyang mahanap ng potential buyer mo. So for this, since this is a house and lot, so you choose housing and then property for sale. Please do not choose, say for instance, mobile phones. Okay, so kasi yung sa mobile phones, yung maghahanap ng mga mobile phones, doon siya madedirect sa mobile phones. So lahat na makita niya puro mobile phones. So they are interested of the mobile phones, not house and lot. So magiging useless din or hindi ganong effective yung ad mo. So therefore, choose the correct and the proper category for your product. So in this case, click natin yung property for sale. Okay, so there you go. Then the location, since Davao City yon ang product natin, then you put Davao City. Then the description guys, I encourage you to put a detailed description of your product to sell faster on this place. Okay, say for instance, ready for occupancy house unit at Buhangin, at Comunal Buhangin, Davao City. Then you can also add house details. Okay, like ilang square meter, ilang bedrooms. Okay, so for this tutorial, ito lang muna yung gagawin natin. Okay, so remember to put a description, even though this is optional guys, but I encourage you to put a detailed description of your product to sell faster. Then put the product tags. So these are like hashtags, the same as hashtags that you see on Instagram. So you have to put the best product tags para madali kayo makita. Okay, so as you can see here, add related tags to your listing to help people find it. Okay, so house and lot. So lagay natin house and lot. Then lagay din natin ready for occupancy. Lagay natin home, lagay natin Davao, lagay natin Philippines. Ayan. So, ayan. So, yun na lang muna. And then, if you offer delivery, please, you can just click on this. Okay, if not, just ignore it. Now, Facebook Marketplace has its commerce policies, guys. So, please check on this, okay, before you post anything on Marketplace or anywhere in Facebook, on Facebook. Kasi there are do's and don'ts. So, there are things that you should not post on Facebook, anywhere on Facebook. So, let's say for instance, like sexual content, discrimination. So, those are prohibited on Facebook as well as on Instagram. Okay, so you may review this one if you encounter a disapproval of your post on Facebook. Okay, so alright, so after that you just click on next, and voila, it should be published on your marketplace. And if you want to publish it on your profile, click on your profile. Then if you have groups, click on this. Oh, sorry. Click that one. You can take up to 10 groups per post. Okay. Ayan. But of course, you have to consider the rules and regulations of each group. Baka yung group kung saan ka member, you are only allowed to post 1 item per day. Okay, so you also have to consider that one. So in this case, so you can take as much as 10 groups. All right, so if you are done already, you can publish it. So when you say publish, it means to say it will be posted all over Facebook Marketplace. All right, and your potential buyer may be able to view it already. Okay, so yun lang guys. So it's publishing now. We'll just wait for a few moments to publish it on Facebook Marketplace. Now guys, there are things that you should remember on Facebook Marketplace. So balikan lang natin. May makikita ka na mga may makikita ka na mga items dito sa Facebook na sinasabi free. Okay, but literally that is not okay. Hindi lang siya kasi ito yung okay, may 1 peso pa nga eh. So nagiging free siya if you put 0 on your price. So saan yun? So, for instance, this one, I'll show you. Okay. Okay, dito sa price. So, if you put 0 on your price, okay, that can still be posted. Your ad can still be posted on Marketplace. However, it will show as free. Okay? So, minsan kasi may mga seller na naglalagay ng 0. Ayaw nilalagyan ng talagang price details yung ad nila, just to protect them from their competitors. So that's why they just disclosed it directly to their buyer through PMs or private message. So yun lang guys, magtataka kayo. Then please do not forget the commerce policies or the community standards of Facebook page para hindi kayo maban ni Facebook or para ma-approve agad yung post ninyo. What else that you should know about Facebook marketplace? Oh, by the way, sasabihin mo, ba't wala nang nagtatanong? Sabi, maraming magko-comment. So, now and then guys, kapag ka na-expire na yung post mo, you just renew it, okay? I'll show you. Ito yung gusto ko din sa Facebook eh. You can renew your post. You don't have to post again and again. So, you don't have to post same product again and again. So, dito. Okay. So, this is my listings. These are my listings. Ayan. Okay. So, if your product is sold already, you can click on mark as sold. Okay. And then, hindi ko lang alam kung makita dito sa phone. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, matagal na to. Kapag matagal na yung ano mo, listing mo, wait. Pwede mo siyang i-renew. Okay. So that you will not have to post the same ad again and again on the marketplace. So, parang hindi ko nakita dito. If it is not visible here, it can be on the desktop because what I'm using right now is my phone. So, guys, if meron kayo desktop, you may want to check on it, okay? So, yun lang guys. If sabihin natin wala nang nagko-comment, wala nang nag-i-inquire, renew mo lang yung post or edit mo lang siya. Let's say for this one, edit mo lang siya. Okay? So, you click on edit. Para parang makita na naman siya ng mga buyer mo. So, you can choose to edit your photos. Okay? So, pwede mo balikta-baliktarin. Pwede mo ibahin yan. Pwede ka maglagay ng bago. Okay? Maybe you can delete that one and add more photos. Okay? Different photo. So, that's it guys. Yun lang naman yung gagawin mo para maging active yung Facebook ad mo sa marketplace. Okay? So, I think that would be all for today, guys. And I hope you enjoy it. And I hope magkaroon kayo ng maraming sales sa Facebook, okay? Next time, guys, I will share to you another way on how to promote your your business on Facebook, okay? So, I hope makita-kita tayo. So, that's it for now. I hope to see you next time. Bye. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Alright? Thank you. See you. Bye.